The Burnside Hospital is a 76-bed private not-for-profit community hospital. The hospital's mission is to provide contemporary care for every patient, every time, in well-equipped facilities.
That contemporary care includes Philips Avalon cableless fetal and maternal monitoring.
The Avalon CL has allowed our midwives to monitor high-risk patients, patients with high BMI, multiple pregnancies. That includes twins and triplets.
Avalon's fetal monitors use smart pulse technology to distinguish between the maternal pulse and the fetal heart rate.
I really love the smart pulse technology. It's an outstanding tool. It allows us to identify the difference between the maternal and the fetal pulse in labour.
The Avalon allows expectant mothers to experience freedom of movement and comfort during labour.
The patient finds it less restrictive. They can shower, they can mobilise, they can use a birthing ball.
They can be pacing the corridor, they can be in the gardens, which is really a very natural way of promoting the labour.
And while we're using this, we're able to track the mother and the baby at all times, knowing that we're getting really good quality readouts.
The Burnside Hospital combines the Avalon cableless technology with Philips IntelliSpace perinatal information system for near real-time communication.
The IntelliSpace perinatal solution was a clinical solution for our hospital, and we decided to go with it because it provided us with connectivity between midwives, obstetricians, mothers and their babies. The ISP allows any of our clinicians, be they an obstetrician or a midwife, to be able to view the patient's CTG trace.
It's made a huge difference to patient care. I can therefore be out, I can be home, I can be here in my rooms consulting. The midwives rang me, there was a concern on the CTG, I'm able to access that.
The Philips IntelliSpace perinatal solution features an advanced alarm system that alerts when observations are outside normal ranges.
A drop in fetal heart rate, we can identify that and we can manage the patient accordingly. If it's a drop in a maternal pulse, we'll be alerted to that immediately.
The Philips IntelliSpace perinatal solution also allows the hospital to quickly retrieve a mother's obstetrical record.
We can pull that up electronically and provide hands-on time to the patient as opposed to hands away from the patient chasing data.
The Philips Avalon CL cableless and IntelliSpace perinatal solution, helping Burnside Hospital continue to fulfill its mission to render quality care.
The Philips solutions that have been provided through this technology have allowed us to make sure that the patient is at the centre of everything we do.
To any obstetrician thinking about the solution, I would have no hesitation in recommending the system as a whole. It's fantastic, it's easy to use.
Having a patient walking around in the garden, us sitting at the base station observing the well-being of the mother and the baby has brought the whole system together, making us feel confident that we're caring for the patients as much as we possibly can. It's fantastic. We love it.
Innovation and you. Philips.